I thought it will be nothing, but when I get up, it's all bloody na. Yeah, you just dice them, all the ingredients, the bell pepper, the chicken breast, and celery. Celery is rich in calcium. It's healthy. I already washed them. I already washed the white grapes, the green bell pepper, and the celery before I chop them. Before I chop them. This is good. Usually, they put it in a dinner rolls or make into a chicken sandwich, and a sandwich. And this will be the filling. Usually in the Philippines, we eat chicken salad as it is, but here they make it as a filling to the sandwich or rolls. I just used half of the, so here I have the celery. I have to slice the celery. You just have to dice the celery. There's my one big extra. The celery, then the grapes, white grapes. The grapes will add sweetness on your chicken salad. Then the celery will add a aroma on your chicken. Then the green bell pepper will add crunchiness on it. So this is how we make our chicken salad filling. So the celery, you have to peel the string off on it. So I think this is enough. And so here I will put my, that's my, then you just going to mix them all together, you see. And so here is here's the white grapes, the green bell pepper, the celery, and the diced chicken breast. You're just going to mix them together. There's my, I'm just going to mix them together. Mm. Then you can add salt. There's no really exact measurement. It's just like an estimation how they look, how much your chicken, then you can estimate how much you can add. You see the rest of the ingredients. Then we will add on the mayonnaise. Just for them to do to combine them together, just to mix them together. Yeah, so after I made this, See? Like that.